Hi friends, today we come to the 11th day of our mirror work. Today's topic is feeling good, releasing your anger. This is the place where you will get more space in yourself the moment you started releasing your anger. We will address the anger today and how to process and how to release before it makes you sick or disease, and how people allow the space inside to get the more positive emotions. Okay, so because if you are having an anger within yourself, it will take a much space within you. It is not allowing you to flow the good within you because you are not releasing it. Anger is not a bad emotion. It is an emotion. It's an honest emotion, but you need to release it so that you will not have something stored inside you. So once you released it, you feel good and you will have some space inside you so that you will be able to fill that space with the positive emotions. Okay, that's what. Well, let us dig. So this mirror work, suppose if you can't express directly, this mirror work will help you to release those anger emotions in front of the mirror. How? We will see today. When you are digging into your past, because last time we digging into the past and we let go of it, right? When you are digging into the past, you release so many emotions. You must have discovered there are some angry emotions which remain, still feeling anger. Whenever you are going to that situation, you're still feeling anger. You are so particular about that particular incident. You are still getting that negative chemicals, because whenever you are getting an anger, you are releasing those chemicals, right? The anger chemicals, which is not good for you. So if you are still releasing it, what you have to do it? So the particular event, you just remember that particular event, how you are feeling about yourself whenever you remember, right? So that's anger, you are getting it, right? Whenever you are getting an anger, why you are getting still an anger is you have not processed that anger outwardly. Express it outwardly. When you have not expressed it outwardly, what will happen? It is going to express it inwardly. So whenever it is expressing it inwardly, it will cause you disease, or it will make you sick, or it make you to dysfunction some part of your body. So this is how it will happen. All your negative emotions not expressed properly, then it will have the effect on your within yourself, because it is processing inside. So generally the anger, whenever the anger over and again, we will get that again and again. We'll get the because we do not get the right way to express it. So we swallow it. Whenever we swallow it, that resentment, that bitterness and depression is piling up within you. So you need to release. You need to know how to release physically, express it physically. Now, then only you can able to release it. Get some pillows. Go to your bedroom. Get some pillows. Put whatever you want to stab that person. Stab your pillow and express it outward. Don't get afraid to take it the natural course. If you can, if you feel that you can talk to that person, go and talk to that person. Why you are actually angry? What makes you angry? What is the situation? You may be getting clarified, right? Don't keep that anger until you want to scream that person. When you want to scream that person, because the anger got piled up within yourself, at some point it get burst and you want to scream up at that person. So screaming might not help anyway in our life, because it might cause the damage in the relationship as well. It may be misunderstanding, who knows? If you go and talk to the person whenever you get angry, maybe the things will get clarified. Maybe you misunderstand, maybe the other person misunderstand. Nothing has done wrong, but just the misunderstanding. These things get clarified. Even if there is something wrong, you can explain that where you got hurt. What will happen if the other person value your relationships? He or she will not repeat that. So if you express it, it will be beneficial. If you are keeping it, you are not doing anything good to your relationship, but you are doing bad to yourself, because it is going to function inside. If you are not expressing outside, it is going to function inside. So that is not good. Mirror work will help you to get those feelings out. Okay, there are so many from the Louise Hay counseling, right? There are so many people who came to her, and when they express all the anger outside, they feel so relieved, they feel so happy. Okay, try it out, friends. I also tried it, and you also can try it out. You can be very relaxed because you are unloading all the anger, right? So many people will feel so happier when they release their anger towards the other person. So it is, you feel like I have released my burden. So, okay, there is no burden on me, so we release the burden. If you don't get, like, suppose if you want to answer your anger, you can find it and you can meditate on it, then you will get an answer also. If you visualize that rage and then meditate it, you will get an answer also. So in that way also you can get your answers. It is okay to have my feelings. Today's affirmation is, it's okay to have an anger. It's okay to have, but today I express my feelings in a positive ways. Whatever I have, I expressed in a positive ways. I have an anger on you because you did something, you wronged me something. I'm coming. See, I'm valuing your relationship more than this, but keeping this anger within me, I'm not able to talk to you wholeheartedly. So I wanted to ask you, I hurt at this point. What is the wrong in it? So other person will understand. Express that anger in a positive way and let the other person be clarified why you are actually got hurt, so that they will understand. If they value a relationship, definitely they will understand. Today's mirror work. So day 11, mirror work. Anger mirror work, right? Same place, go to your bathroom, look into where you feel safe, not disturbed. Look into your mirror, eyes in the mirror, right? If you are not comfortable, look any other nose or any other place also. Concentrate on one particular thing and ask yourself, see yourself, and see the other in the mirror, right? See the other, the person who wronged you. Okay, remember the moment when you become angry, why you become angry, when you become angry. Feel yourself, the thought, right? The situation, bring that situation in front of you. Begin to tell that person exactly what you want to tell. If you cannot go and talk to the person directly, go to the mirror and think that other person is there. Concentrate on one part of you and then tell, this is what I feel bad. You should not have said this. I angry because you did this for me. I hurt because you did this for me. This is the reason why I got angry. Because of this, I got afraid so much that I don't want to do these things in the future. So something like that, whatever the feelings you express in front of the mirror. You may have to do different times or many times, because there are so many situations you piled up in your mind. You have to release all the anger situations, right? So whenever you have to take out all the anger situations, you repeat this exercise morning, 11 o'clock, again in the afternoon, again evening, and then night. You do all the things and write your journal. Journaling is important. Write your journal. Choose the why. Actually, in the journal, write why you are angry all the time. What is the causes in all the situations that you got angry? Or what is that within you is actually attracting others to irritate you? Which type of quality that within you is attracting others to irritate you? Because you are getting irritated, or the other person is taking that they wanted to poke you and irritate you? If you just try to ignore and what will happen? So you write all those things. What makes me happy? So if I keep all these things, is it make me happy? No, right? Nobody will be happy when there is an anger. So it doesn't make. So what makes me happy? What can I do to make myself happy? Can I release them? Can I just ignore them? What can I do? You write all your journal, all these things. A new space, when you feel that, when you write all those things, I'm going to ignore all these things, I'm releasing them, then you're creating a new space within you. There is an empty space. Happily, you can fill up an optimistic and cheerful patterns. You can fill up your mind and heart with the cheerful patterns, so that you can feel so happy within you. So ultimately, what we need to is, we need to be happy within ourselves, right? So release all the anger, friends. So once you release all the anger, you have a lot of space. Fill up that with the positive emotions. So love all. So release them, let them, forgive them, release them. Okay. What is the hard thought for the day? I deserve to feel good. I always deserve to feel good. Life is so simple, friends. We create our experiences in the patterns of thoughts and feelings. So if you are making a happy thoughts and happy feelings, our life is so happy. Okay, when we believe that we ourselves are life, whatever we are thinking is the life that is becoming, definitely you won't have that resentment feelings or depression feelings or anger feelings, all those things. Instead of, you can replace with forgiveness, you can replace with love, you can replace with happiness, you can replace with forgiving, you can replace with giving instead of asking. All these things you can replace, friends. Whenever you are replacing all these things, then you will be very happy. So let us affirm, I release the pattern in my consciousness. What is that pattern? I am releasing the pattern of that anger and creating the resistance to my good. Whatever the pattern that is there to resistance to my good, I am releasing all the patterns. It could be anger, it could be anything. Whatever the resistance, I am just releasing it. I deserve to feel good because I want to be happy. I didn't want to feel sad or depressed. So I want to be happy. So I deserve to feel good. I am releasing all the resistance which makes me to stop the good that is flowing within me. Okay, friends. So we will come up with one more topic tomorrow. All of us, let us practice this releasing anger. Thank you, friends.